So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your company logo to the pre-made MineConnect ads that are available complimentary in MineConnect's Media Kit. I will be using Microsoft Paint in this example, but if you have access to other premium photo editing softwares, you can opt to use that as well. So once Paint is open, to begin we're going to hit the drop-down arrow underneath the Paste button and click Paste From. Then, from the File Explorer, find and select the pre-made MineConnect ad that you have already installed from MineConnect's Media Kit. Now, import your company logo using the same process. Now, left-click and drag from any of the four corners to resize the photo. Once the photo has been resized, left-click and drag it into the middle of the ad. The last step of the process is to remove the white background from the canvas. To do this, scroll to the bottom right of Microsoft Paint where you'll see a small white square. Left-click and drag this so that it fits only with the ad. Now that we're finished editing the photo, it's time to save the file. It's recommended you save the file as a .jpg or a .png file for best output result.